In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset password in Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is go down here to the search bar inside Windows and type in Settings, and you want to click this, and then you will go inside the settings of your Windows 11 computer, and you want to click over here where it says Accounts on the left, and you will see the screen I'm at right now. Over here, you want to click on Accounts yet again, and then you want to scroll down to where it says Sign In Options. You want to press this and look for password. As you can see, it's the penultimate option, so it says password. You want to click on it, and then over here it says you're all set up, and you want to click on change. Then it will ask you to change your password, and first you have to confirm your current password. You want to type in your password and type next. Click next, excuse me. There we go. And then you can set your new password, so you can choose whatever you like, and then you want to confirm the password, just simply retype the password you chose, and then you can give a password hint. Let's say you want to type in it's my dog's name or something like that, okay? Just something that will remind you of your password in case you forget it. And once that's done, you simply want to press next, and that's it. You're all done, and you've successfully reset your password on Windows 11.